Today, we will show you how to replace, fix or adjust your bike's chains and brake. First, find the nut on the brake cable on the brake mechanism. Using a wrench, slightly loosen the nuts holding the wheel in place. To adjust the chain tension, slide the wheel backward to tighten the chain or forward to loosen it. Once the chain tension is correct, tighten the wheel nuts securely. Spin the pedals to ensure the chain moves smoothly without slipping. Lastly, to adjust your bike's brake, pull the cable to increase tension while holding it firmly. Rotate the wheel and feel for slight friction. When you feel a little friction on the wheel, tighten the cable nut, and you're all done. You can now test the brake. Squeeze the brake lever a few times to make sure the brakes engage properly and release smoothly.